Hi guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to install mods for 7 Days to Die. If you particularly want to play on a server or something that has already mods installed on it, you will need to download the exact same mods that is installed on the server and install them on your client. In my case here, I want to do this through Steam. So easiest for me is to just go through Steam here, go to library, allocate 7 Days to Die, right click it, go to manage and browse local files. Now you can see that I do not have a mods folder installed here yet because there hasn't been any mods installed on this client before, so I need to make a new folder. Importantly here is that you will have to use capital M mods, just like that. And when that is done and you have downloaded the files that you want to use, as I have done here, just copy them and paste them into this folder, and now you can start your client and play with these mods on it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, remember to push that subscribe button. Thanks.